Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily delete saved posts on Instagram all at once. So go to your profile page and go to the three lines on the top and go to saved and select the kind of saved folder that you want to kind of delete. Select the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and you can select some and remove it, or you can select all and press remove. Or if you want to just delete the whole thing, select the three dots and then select delete collection, and it will be deleted, but the stuff will be still saved there. You can do it also in all posts, as you can see in the three dots here. Select, for instance, select all and then press and save, and it's going to be unsaved from your saved folder in Instagram. And that is pretty much it, really. It's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!